Hi, in this video I will be demonstrating how you can easily install 4 extensions to your bracket editor and 1 theme or skin for your editor. The first extension that I will be installing is Emmet. So Emmet speeds up your typing when you type HTML or CSS. It's a nicely way and easy way to speed up the process. So the first thing you need to do is go to Brackets, your editor, and click on the menu in the top and go and find the extension manager. So click on the extension manager and now you have the choice to choose between default, installed, themes, and the first one which is extension. So here you choose extension and in the search field you will enter the word Emmet, E-M-M-E-T, and you choose the last one, Emmet from Seagate. Here you have the option to click on the install button on the right side. Click on the install button here and in a few seconds it will be installed on your editor. So now it says installation succeeded and we can easily test how it works. So if you create a new document and if you save this document as index.html in htdocs, then you will see that you can write exclamation mark and then click on the tab keystroke and you see that Emmet easily create a standard template with a head and a body. I will in another movie show you all the quick fix, all the shortcuts in Emmet. The next extension that I will install is now autosave. Saves all your code automatically so you don't have to lose any hard work. So again, you will go to the menu bar and you will click on Files and you will find the extension manager. Click on the extension manager here and now you will have to search for autosave. Please go and choose this one, autosave every edit from Charles. Click on the install button here and it will take a few seconds and now it says installation succeeded. Close the window. So this means that when you go and edit a document, autosave will automatically save your document. You don't have to click save. Before beginning you need to enable where it says enable autosave 400 milliseconds. So now it will automatically go and save your document after 400 milliseconds. Good. The third plugin that I will be installing now is Beautify. So Beautify is an easy way to format the layout of your code. So it will change the way the code looks. It will be looking more beautiful, your code. CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. So please again go to the menu bar and go and click on the extension manager. This time you will search for Beautify. And here we have Beautify. Click on this one that says Drew Hamlet Beautify and click on the install button. And it will take a few seconds and now it says installation succeeded. Close it. This time we can write some HTML code and let's make some code more and let's make a paragraph. Good. So if you right click here now and if you say Beautify, then Beautify will reformat the way this code looks like and it will change the layout very easily. So it's more easy to recognize and to read your code. And finally, I will be showing how you can install Bracket WordPress hint. So please go to Brackets and go to Files and find the Extension Manager. Click on Extension Manager. Now find the search field and please enter the word WordPress hint. Now you see that we have Brackets WordPress hint extension. Please go and click on the install button. So now it says installation completed with success. Please click on close, and now we can go and test WordPress hint extension and brackets. Go and say new file and save the file as index.php. I will now open PHP less than question mark PHP and close PHP by entering question mark greater than character. And now if I say add, you see now it pop-ups with tips. So this is actually functions or methods available in WordPress that pop-ups. So it makes writing WordPress themes, child themes or WordPress plugins much easier because you don't have to remember each function available in WordPress. So finally, the next thing that I will do now is installing the theme. So I will be installing the theme or skin OS X style. So go to Files in the menu bar and click on Extension Manager. Now click on Themes. And here you have to enter in the search field OS space X style. And here we see that we have the skin or theme that we can install. So by clicking on the install button here, we will in a few seconds see that the skin or layout on my editor changed. So it says installation succeeded, and we can now see that our layout and the color, the font has changed. So this is actually 4 extensions plus 1 skin. So have a nice day. Thank you for watching my video.